Out here right now getting this yard and shit. I just did this pile right here. We out here getting it in, man. You feel me? Cleaning it up, trying to get as much as we could. Did today. We actually wrapping up for the day. Um, Tomorrow we gonna come back and get on it. You feel what I'm saying? I just sprayed back here, so hopefully we'll be seeing how all this shit die within the next few days or whatever. See how that go. Then eventually get all this shit up out of here. It's a lot of fucking trash, debris, but we getting it did. Get all this shit cleaned up and out of here. And tomorrow, finish on this little pile here. Come with the chainsaw and cut some stuff. And then try to get up here and get that off the roof. Finish scraping around the house. We cut over here. Got that stuff knocked out over there. I really gotta get this fucking tree down because it's gonna fall on my motherfucking house. I'm gonna get that shit down, all that shit off my roof. It's growing on the side of my house. But this tree got a split in it. I don't know if y'all can really see. Split, let me see. If I can zoom in. See that split right there? Like, right there. Boom. That split got me tripped out. It actually go up the pole. So I'm worried about it. A winter storm will fuck me over. Did a little paint scraping earlier, not much, just really need to do all of this shit. Like, I thought it would have been much more done, but I'm just paying attention to, where I'm working. So, get this paint scraped, and then I'm gonna come replace this wood. I'm doing all this on 10 before Father's Day. Scrape the paint, come with the wood, replace this wood, replace this floor right here, and hopefully I can do the plumbing, do the flooring in here. As far as that's all I'm gonna do is just the floor in here and try to get plumbing did in the inside before I leave. That's all I want done as far as plumbing and this floor fix. And then this house, nothing else in the inside getting done. But I do want to replace like this wood. This wood. I want to replace these. So that means this whole panel might have to be replaced. Let's see. There's certain shit I'm trying to replace, certain shit I'm trying to like this. I'm going to scrape it. This do look like I might replace it. Let me see. Yeah, I might replace that. Or I might just cut it here and replace this part. You know what I mean? Just keeping it real. That's an easy fix for y'all. You know what I'm saying? You see this ain't nothing but coming back with some more concrete over this. And whoop, I got my concrete man down the street. Here come, after I scrape all of this, my concrete man could come. Make it look real good, but scraping, this ain't nothing but scraping, prepping for paint. Scraping this shit off. This, yeah, prep for paint. I just sprayed all this shit. So yeah, prepping for paint. That's this little shit that's peeling off. So yeah, come around, power wash it, spray it down. Replace like them boards up there. And a couple boards along here. A couple boards up there. Not many though, you feel me? Yeah, prepping it for paint. Get it ready. You feel me? That's how we do it though. You know what I'm saying? Get it right, get it ready. Get it right, get it ready. All that wood up there get replaced. Not all of it, but just what need to be replaced. We ain't got like that need to be replaced. That don't need to be replaced. It just need to be scraped. And then that need to be replaced. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, I could get a whole board if I want, but easy fix will be whop, and cut and put it up there and keep it moving. You know what I mean? Scrape all this shit down. 5-gallon bucket, maybe 2 5-gallon buckets. But 1 5-gallon bucket don't do the job. I'm going all one solid color. Then, while I'm gone, I can have somebody probably doing something else. You know what I'm saying? Just being honest. All that thing. I scrape all that shit. That's a lot of scraping on get done, but they get it. The thing about it is like that tool, and you scrape it like this one right here. Look, just go across this and it come right off. That's the thing. You just scrape it. Scrape it. You scrape it and it come off like that. So you feel me? It's real easy. Like, you just scrape it. Run it across. You know what I mean? Just running it across there. You know what I'm saying? Just scraping it. Run it across there. You feel me? So niggas just trying to, prep the tank, man. Nigga out here doing it by themselves. That mean they serious about it. Got a nigga out here serious about it. Real. Nigga out there serious about it, man. I know somebody out there, a real painter, like, what the fuck is he Feezy thinking he doing? Man, they got crap up the paint. What you talking about? Throw a coat on this bitch. Put this hoe back on the market for a higher demand. See me? Prepping for paint. Motherfucker prepping for paint, man. Ain't no time. I'll stay out here all night prepping for paint. Some more help. I say we might need a little bit more help. Yeah, man, prepping this shit for paint. Oh, you got it ready? All right. All right.
Get up, mama. How you doing?
Oh, you got some help right now, huh?
I'm working for you.
Y'all just scratching a note.
Huh? Yeah, we prepping for paint, man.
Just scratching a note.
Right. She say scratching a note, huh? getting a little work in, man.